Hey everyone, welcome back to VTech Garage. I'm here at Julian Hill shop. Tommy Bill dropping off the hatch, and we're gonna go ahead and get the spoon calipers put on, the camera kit and all that stuff put on. Decided to drop it off to these guys because they know what they're doing. Let them do their thing, and yeah, hopefully when we get the car back, all that'll be assembled and put on the car, and we'll be ready to roll. Yeah, we're here with the man, Tunes, Julian, right there. You guys check his channel out. If you don't watch it, you need to check it out. Good content. So yeah, like I said, we're here dropping out the EG hatch. We're gonna let Julian do his thing and put those spoon calipers on. I can't wait to see it. It's gonna really pop out nice behind the inky wheels, and also put the camber kit on as well. Get that all assembled. I got Tommy here in the back as well. Fab man. These guys do good work. They take care of you. So definitely look them up in the Northern California area. And that's it. We'll get back to you guys when it's time to pick it up. Thanks for watching.